Doogee is a fairly new Chinese phone manufacturer who made a very cheap phone with very thin bezels and called it, without any shame, Doogee Mix. As a reference, the Xiaomi Mi Mix was the first conventional phone to make a trend for very thin bevels. Doogee will launch a new phone for low-watt games that is also rugged. It is the third smartphone for games that came out in the last year. What is different from this device is that it will be financed by crowdfunding and Indiegogo. The device has a 6-inch FHD plus 18:9 screen that is shockproof and a huge 5500 mAh battery, which makes sense for a gaming phone. The hardware itself will be IP68 and IP69K, which means it can withstand pressurized water currents. In addition, it complies with MILS TD810G, which means it can withstand the impact of falls and strong vibrations. Inside there is a Helium P23 CPU, along with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. There's even a cooling boost button that puts the phone in game mode and erases all applications so you're ready to play. It uses a sheet metal cooling module that extracts the heat from the chip. The camera has promising specifications, a Sony IMX363 sensor with a secondary depth sensor of 5 MP, large pixels of 1.4 microns and a bright aperture f/1.8. This camera should work quite well in low light.